There is only one way to get anybody to do anything, and that is by making the other person want to do it. Remember, there is no other way. Of course, you can make someone want to give you his money by sticking a revolver in his ribs. You can make your employees give you cooperation by threatening to fire them. You can make a child do what you want it to do by a whip or a threat. But these crude methods have sharply undesirable consequences. The only way I can get you to do anything is by giving you what you want. William James said, "The deepest principle in human nature is the craving to be appreciated, and the rare individual who honestly satisfies this hot hunger of people will hold people in the palm of his or her hands, and even the undertaker will be sorry when he dies." The desire for a feeling of importance is one of the chief distinguishing differences between mankind and animals. It was this desire for a feeling of importance that led an uneducated, poverty-stricken grocery clerk to study some law books he found in the bottom of a barrel of household plunder that he had bought for 50 cents. You have probably heard of this grocery clerk. His name was Lincoln. It was this desire for a feeling of importance that inspired Dickens to write his immortal novels. This desire inspired Sir Christopher Wren to design his symphonies in stone. This desire made Rockefeller amass millions that he never spent. And this same desire made the richest family in your town build a house far too large for its requirements. This desire makes you want to wear the latest styles, drive the latest cars, and talk about your brilliant children. Some authorities declare that people may actually go insane in order to find, in the dreamland of insanity, the feeling of importance that has been denied them in the harsh world of reality. There are more patients suffering from mental diseases in the United States than from all the other diseases combined. If some people are so hungry for a feeling of importance that they actually go insane to get it, imagine what miracle you and I can achieve by giving people honest appreciation this side of insanity. We nourish the bodies of our children and friends and employees, but how seldom do we nourish their self-esteem? We provide them with roast meat and potatoes to build energy, but we neglect to give them kind words of appreciation that would sing in their memories for years like the music of the morning stars. Now I want to clear you that I am talking about sincere appreciation, not flattery. The difference between appreciation and flattery? It's simple. One is sincere and the other insincere. One comes from the heart out, the other comes from the teeth out. One is unselfish, the other selfish. One is universally admired, the other universally condemned. If all we had to do was flatter, everybody would catch on, and we should all be experts in human relations. When we are not engaged in thinking about some definite problem, we usually spend about 95% of our time thinking about ourselves. Now, if we stop thinking about ourselves for a while and begin to think of the other person's good points, we won't have to resort to flattery so cheap and false that it can be spotted almost before it is out of the mouth. Try leaving a friendly trail of little sparks of gratitude on your daily trips. You will be surprised how they will set small flames of friendship that will rise beacons on your next visit. Hurting people not only does not change them, it is never called for. There is an old saying that I have cut out and pasted on my mirror where I cannot help but see it every day. I shall pass this way but once. Any good, therefore, that I can do, or any kindness that I can show to any human being, let me do it now. Let me not defer or neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. Let's cease thinking of our accomplishments, our wants. Let's try to figure out the other person's good points. Then forget flattery. Give honest, sincere appreciation, and people will cherish your words and treasure them and repeat them over a lifetime. Repeat them years after you have forgotten them. Principle number 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation.